Question number 11. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the length of its diagonal. Length L equal to 8 cm and breadth B equal to 6 cm. Find the length of its diagonal. Length of its diagonal equal to under root of length square plus breadth square. Length square 8 square plus breadth square is 6 square. Root of 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36 equal to root of 64 plus 36 100. Root of 10 into 10 equal to 10 centimeter. The length of its diagonal is 10 centimeter. Option C. Question number 12. 3 bells toll at intervals of 36, 40 seconds and 48 seconds respectively. They start singing together at a particular time. When will they toll next together? Now take the LCM of 36 and 40 and 48. 36, 40, 48. 4 9 times, 4 10 times, 4 12 times. 3 3 times, 10 is same, 3 4 times. 3 is same, 2 5 times, 2 2 times. 2 into 5 10, 10 into 3 30, 30 into 2 60, 60 into 3 180, 180 into 4 720 equal to 720 seconds. But our answer is in minutes. 720 seconds convert to minutes. 720 divided by 60. 0 0 cancel. 6 1 time. 6 1 times 6. 1 is carry. 6 2 times 12 equal to 12 minutes. 12 minutes will they toll next together. Option B. Question number 13. A horse covers a distance of 1500 meters in 1 minute 20 seconds. At what speed the horse is running? Distance is given 1500 meters. Distance equal to 1500 meters. And time equal to 1 minute and 20 seconds. 60 seconds plus 20 seconds, 80 seconds. Speed equal to distance by time. 1500 meter by 80 seconds. 1500 by 80 into 18 by 5. This 18 by 5 is converted to kilometer per hour. Our answer is in kilometer per hour. So that's why I converted into kilometer per hour. 0 0 cancel. 5 one time, 5 3 times, 0 0. 5 30 times. 18 into 30. 540 divided by 8. 8 one time. 8 6 times 48. 6 is carry. 8 7 times 56. 4 is carry. 0.0. 8 5 times 40. 67.5. Speed equal to 67.5 kilometer per hour. The horse running speed is 67.5 kilometer per hour. Option C. Question number 14. Suresh bought a cell phone from a shop. If he sells it at 8,400 rupees to Mahesh and earns a profit of 20%, find the price at which Suresh bought the cell phone. His selling price is 8,400 and earns a profit of 20%. 100% plus 20%. 120% equal to 8,400. 0 0 cancel. 12% equal to 840. 12% equal to 840. 12 one times, 12 7 times. 0 0. 1% equal to 70. Find the price at which Suresh bought the cell phone. That means cost price. Cost price of the cell phone. Cost price of the cell phone is 100% equal to question mark. 1% equal to 70. 100% equal to into 100 left side and into 100 right side. 100% equal to 1 into 100, 100%, 70 into 100, 7,000. Option C. Question number 15. A train of length 100 meters is moving at a speed of 70 km per hour. In what time it will cross a man who is walking at 10 km per hour in the same direction? In this problem, both the train and man are moving. So we will find the relative speed of the train. They are moving in the same direction. So relative speed equal to 70 km per hour minus 10 km per hour. Relative speed equal to 70 minus 10 equal to 60 km per hour. Sixty into 5 by 18. 5 by 18 is 60 km per hour is converted to meter per second. 5 by 18 is converted to meter per second. 6 3 times 18, 6 10 times. 10 into 5, 50 divided by 3 meter per second. Train of length is 100 meters. Distance equal to 100 meters. Time equal to distance by speed. Distance is 100 meters divided by 50 by 3 meter per second. Meter cancel. 51 time, 52 times. time equal to 2 into 3 6 second. 6 second time it will cross a man who is walking 10 km per hour in the same direction. Option B. Question number 16. 4 years ago, a man was 6 times as old as his son. After 16 years, he will be twice as old as his son. What is the present age of man and his son? Let age of son 4 years ago. Let age of son 4 years ago x. So age of man age of man 4 years ago 6x. So age of man 4 years ago 6x. Man was 6 times as old as his son. So age of man 4 years ago 6x. As per question, after 16 years, age of son 4 years ago x. X plus 4 is son is present age plus 16. Plus 16 is after 16 years. After 16 years. So plus 16. X is age of son 4 years ago. So plus 4 present age. X plus 4 is age of son present age. And plus 16 is after 16 years. And same 6x is 4 years ago. And plus 4 age of man present age. And plus 16 after 16 years. After 16 years he will be twice as old as his son. So 2 times of x plus 4 plus 16. After 16 years he will be twice as old as his son. 2 times of x plus 4 plus 16. X is 4 years ago son age and plus 4 is son present age and plus 16 is after 16 years. 6x is man 4 years ago plus 4 is man present age and plus 16 is after 16 years. Two into x 2x plus 16 plus 4 20. 20 into 2 40 equal to 6x plus 20. 16 plus 4 20. 6x minus 2x 4x equal to 20 is left side. 40 minus 20 20. X equal to 5. X equal to 5. What is the present age of man and his son? Present age of son equal to x plus 4. X plus 4. X equal to 5. 5 plus 4 equal to 9 years. And present age of man equal to 6x plus 4. 6x plus 4. 6 into x equal to 5 plus 4. 6 into 5 30. 30 plus 4 34. 34 years. Present age of son equal to 9 years. Present age of man is 34 years. 9 and 34. Option A. Question number 17. A tank can be filled in 10 hours. After a leak in its bottom, it takes 12 hours to fill the tank. Find the time taken by the leak to empty the full tank. A tank can be filled in 10 hours. A part of tank filled in 1 hour before the leak is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Before the leak plus 1 by 10. And after leak in its bottom, it takes 12 hours to fill the tank. Part of the tank filled in 1 hour after the leak is 1 by 12. This is after the leak, so minus 1 by 12. Before the leak is plus 1 by 10. After the leak is minus 1 by 12. Part of tank emptied in 1 hour by the leak. A part of tank emptied in 1 hour by the leak equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12 equal to 120 is LCM. 12 minus 10 by 120. 2 by 120 equal to 1 by 60. 1 by 60 of the tank will be emptied in 1 hour by the leak. Therefore, full tank will be emptied by the leak in 60 hours. A tank can be filled in 10 hours. A part of tank filled in 1 hour before the leak is 1 by 10. After leak in its bottom, it takes 12 hours to fill the tank. A part of the tank filled in 1 hour after the leak is 1 by 12th part, minus 1 by 12. Leak in after the leak, so minus 1 by 12. A part of tank emptied in 1 hour by the leak is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12 equal to 1 by 60. 1 by 60 part of the tank will be emptied in 1 hour by the leak. Therefore, full tank will be emptied by the leak in 60 hours. Option B. Question number 18. A boat covers 800 meters in 600 seconds against the stream and returns downstream in 5 minutes. What is the speed of the boat in still water? Speed upstream. Speed upstream equal to distance by time. Distance 800 meters by 600 seconds equal to 8 by 6 meter per second. And returns downstream in 5 minutes. Speed downstream equal to distance is same 800 by 5 minutes. 5 minutes convert into seconds. 5 into 60. 0 0 cancel. 80 by 30. 8 by 3 meter per second. What is the speed of the boat in still water? Boat still in water equal to 1 by 2 into downstream plus upstream. 1 by 2 into downstream speed is 8 by 3 plus upstream speed is 8 by 6. One by 2 into LCM is 6. 3 2 times 8 into 2 16 plus 8 by 6. 1 by 2 into 16 plus 8 24. 24 by 6. 24 by 6 into 2 12. 12 one time, 12 two times equal to 2 meter per second. Speed of boat still in a water equal to 2 meter per second. Option C. Question number 19. Two candidates contested an election. The winning candidate scored 54% and won by 88 votes. If 58 votes were declared invalid, find the total number of votes polled in the election. Let the valid votes equal to X. The winning candidate scored 54% and won by 88 votes. Total is 100%. In this 100%, he scored 54% and remaining percentage is 46%. 54% and 46%. Difference is 8%. As per question, 8% of X equal to 88. 8% of valid votes equal to 88. He won by 88 votes. 8%. 8 by 100 into X equal to 88. 8 one time, 8 11 times. X equal to 1100. The valid votes equal to 1100. Total number of votes polled in the election. Therefore, total votes polled valid votes plus invalid votes. Total votes polled equal to valid votes plus invalid votes. Valid votes 1100. Valid votes 1100 plus invalid votes is 58. equal to 1158. Option C. Question number 20. The average of Sohan marks in 6 subjects is 74. If his average in 5 subjects excluding science is 70, how many marks he obtained in science? Sohan total marks obtained in obtained in 6 subjects equal to 6 into 74 equal to 444. Total marks in 5 subjects. Total marks in 5 subjects excluding science is excluding science equal to 5 into 70 equal to 350. Therefore, total marks obtained in science would be 444 subtract 350 equal to 94. Option A. Average of Sohan marks is 6 subjects is 74. So his total marks obtained in 6 subjects, 6 into 74, 444. His average in 5 subjects excluding science is 70. So total marks in 5 subjects excluding science equal to 5 into 70, 350. How many marks he obtained in science? Total marks obtained in science would be 444 minus 350 equal to 94. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.